East Central New York. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over St. or 14 miles south.
Yeah, as you guys can see, it's
moving northeast at 25 miles per.
Let me turn this off. As you guys can see, we are about to get hit by a crazy thunderstorm. I brought my handheld out with me so that I don't miss any alerts while I'm out here. You know, just record. Yo, that was crazy.
Locations impacted include Jefferson, Middleburg, Summit,
You can see
Livingstonville, North
thunderstorm.
Franklin, Preston Potter,
Oh my god! There's a lot of lightning strikes over here to the
West Fulton,
west.
Huntington, Five Corners, Arabia, Eminence, Housen's Corners, West Jefferson, South Jefferson,
Constant rumbles.
Jefferson. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter in.
Oh yeah, here we go. Now it starts. Here we go. Here we go. Now it's coming. Now it's coming down.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Albany County and East Central New York until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh yeah. Oh, another one over there.
Or near Delmer.
Ugh.
East at 10 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, the wind is.
Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts.
Oh yeah.
Size hail. Source.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is gonna be a crazy thunderstorm. Holy moly.
Locations impacted include Albany, Cohoes, Waterville,
My lord.
Latham, Delmer, Guilderland, Menands, Bern, Voorheesville, Green Island, Loudonville, Furbush, New Scotland, Knox, Clarksville, Shakers, Bleecker Stadium, Eastburn, and Spawn Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh yeah.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Yeah.
has been issued until
This.
7:30 p.m. Eastern
This is
Daylight
this is
Time for the
insane.
following counties: Albany, New York. The National
Seriously,
Weather
look at-
Service in Albany
look at
has issued a
this.
flood advisory for southeastern Herkimer County in eastern New York, west central Montgomery County in eastern New York, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy
Whoa!
thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Yeah.
Some locations that will experience
Oh yeah.
include Canterbury, Fort Plain,
My god.
Bridge, Lewiston, Brooklyn Corners, Hallsville, Keeler Corners, Ripple Corners, Fordsbush, Charleswood Corners, Friesbush, Houseville, Valley
My
Brook,
god.
Starkville, Moyers Corners, Sprout,
Whoa!
Springville, Wilson,
Here we go. Oh my lord.
Sand Hill,
Yeah, winds are really picking up right now.
encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report
Trying to
flooding
listen to
National
the-
Weather Service by email
Trying to listen to the
town
radio.
at no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWS-Albany,
Yeah.
Twitter at NWS-Albany.
Oh my
The
god,
National
look at the
Weather
wind.
Service in Albany has issued a flood advisory for North Central.
Oh my
Missouri,
goodness.
East Central New York, Southern Montgomery County,
Wow.
Eastern New York, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yo! Look at this!
Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler
Holy moly!
heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Yeah! Oh man!
Report expected to begin
Oh yeah!
advisory area.
Oh my goodness!
0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Canterbury,
Oh my god!
James, Glen, Charleston,
Wow.
Palatine Bridge, Rural Grove, Tullytown, Charleston, Four Corners,
Ugh, winds are blowing right on my face, man. Holy moly.
Corners, Kilmartin Corners, Fox Corners, Browns Hollow, Square Barn Corners, and Market Corners.
Wow!
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at townstorm.
Oh my god!
On Facebook
Yo.
at www.facebook.com.
There's water leaking out of the roofs and everything. My god!
NWS Albany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for central Albany County and
Wow!
New York until 10 p.m.
Holy moly! Holy moly!
Daylight time. Doppler radar indicated heavy
Ah, my God! Oh my goodness, there's winds blowing everywhere! Holy moly!
has fallen. Some locations
This
that
is
will experience
insanity!
flooding include Albany, Rensselaer, Delmer, Bern, Voorheesville, Furbush,
Coastal
Scotland,
water
Knox,
stream flood advisory something, whatever it said.
Thatcher State Park, Thompson's Lake, Slingerlands, Helderberg, Westmer, East Bern, Carlsfeld, North Bethlehem, and Benson
Oh my
Corners.
God!
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Man, my camera's all wet.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings.
Oh my
and
God,
do
look
not
at this.
drive on flooded roads.
Literally says severe thunderstorm warning.
To the National Weather Service.
There's a bunch of other ones. Oh my God!
On Facebook at
Wow.
www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany or Twitter at NWS
Yo, constant-
Albany.
Constant lightning, man.
Heat index values in the mid-90s to lower 100s.
My lord.
Where Bennington and Eastern
Bro,
Western
literal
counties in
constant
southern Vermont,
rumbles of
northwestern
thunder right now.
Connecticut, Capital Region,
Constant
the
lightning.
North
Oh my
Region,
God.
Mohawk Valley, the Taconics, Helderbergs,
Wow.
Death Valley, Northern Catskills, and the Scranton
Oh my God.
in western Massachusetts.
Yo.
Eastern Daylight Time this evening.
Oh my God.
Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause illnesses to occur.
Oh my lord. This is... Seriously, man, look at this abomination. Look at this abomination, dude.
Extra precautions if you work or spend time outside.
Ugh.
Possible reschedule strenuous activities to early morning
Holy moly.
things are heat exhausted.
Yo.
Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible.
Bro,
To reduce risk during outdoor
my camera is all wet right now, dude.
Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded
Bro.
location.
Oh my God.
Stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Severe thunderstorm watch number 437 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following.
Oh my
New
lord.
York, Albany, Columbia,
Wow.
Greene, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga.
Bro, let me put my radio down. Oh my God. My camera's all soaking wet. Oh my God. Holy moly. Wow. Holy moly. Yo, this is insane. This is insanity.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my God.
And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations.
Wow.
International Airport. It was
It's literally a hurricane.
The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 69, and the relative humidity 67%. The wind was north at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.97 inches and steady. Around the greater
Bro, visibility is probably extremely low right now.
rain was falling.
Oh my God. Wow.
At Glens Falls, it was sunny with a temperature of 84.
Look.
At North Adams, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 89. Looking around the Northeast,
Oh my God.
mostly sunny with a temperature of 92 at Springfield, Massachusetts, 84 at Boston, 94 at Poughkeepsie, 94
This is
at
literally
New York City,
insane.
and 81 at Rome.
Oh my God.
Eastern Daylight Time hourly information for the Capital District. It was partly sunny, and the temperatures were 81 degrees. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Chinois, or 14 miles southeast of Cooperstown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects.
Oh my god! Holy moly! Wow! Yo, my camera is all soaking wet. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my goodness! Wow! Yo, it's a tornado or something! It's like a tornado or something! Holy moly! It's like a tornado or something! Oh my god! It's a hurricane! Oh my god! Bro, I can't even say anything. This is so intense. Dude, there's aliens sending the storm.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's literally hurricane types. My lord. It's literally like a hurricane out. Oh. It's like some sort of tornadoes or something.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yo.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Albany, New York.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood advisory for southeastern
Flood advisory.
eastern New York, west central.
Oh my god, look at these trees, man. They're blowing like super.
Eastern Daylight Time.
I don't know.
At 5:40
Oh! Big wind shift! Big wind shift! Oh my god! Yo, huge wind shift! Oh my god! Huge wind shifts! This is huge wind shifts!
Fort Plain, Palatine Bridge, Williston, Brookman Corners, Hallsville, Keesler Corners, Whipple Corners, Fort Bush, Charleswood Corners.
It's a huge wind burst!
Valley Brook, Starkville.
Oh my god!
Brown Brook, Salt Springville, Wilkie Fort Corners, Van Doysenville, and
Yo, my radio. Oh my god! Holy moly! Yo! This is insanity!
Facebook at www.facebook.com.
Oh my god! Holy moly! This is absolutely insanity! Wow! It's literal hurricane! It's a literal hurricane tornado or something! Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! It's a literal hurricane! Oh my god! This is literally unbelievable! Oh my god! I have never seen a storm like this since September! Oh my god! Wow! It's a literal tornado storm or hurricane force winds! Oh my god! My lord! So much lightning! Bro, this is absolutely insanity!
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued urban and small stream flood advisory
Small stream flood advisory, that's what it was. Oh my god.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Yo.
Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding.
Oh my
Up to
god.
an inch of rain has fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding
Bro.
include Albany, Rensselaer, Delmer, Bern, Hayesville, Furbush, New Scotland, Knox, New Salem, Lauderdale.
Seriously, this is
Walsall,
unbelievable.
Gloucester State Park, Thompson's Lake, Slingerland,
Oh my god.
Westmer, East Bern, Carlsfeld, North Bethlehem, and Corners. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are
Oh, my camera is all soaking wet.
Additional rain
Oh my god. It's never ending. Yo! Hurricane! Literal hurricane out here. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Bro. I cannot believe this. This is absolutely insanity.
Broadcasting the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other information 24 hours a day. WXL 34
Bro, I don't.
District, the Lake George Saratoga region,
Oh my
Northern
god.
Catskills, and Berkshire Mountains at 162.55 megahertz.
Bro,
WXL 34 is coming
I can't.
from a radio tower.
Bro, I cannot. This is absolutely insanity. Holy moly. Oh my god. Wow. Bro, this is the definition of a severe thunderstorm. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god! Huge lightning. Oh, here we go! Flash flood!
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Albany County.
Bro, flash flood warning. Literally just popped up.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
Literally no joke, flash
across
flood
the
warning just popped up.
Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Oh my god.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh my god.
Radar. Impact: flash flooding of
Yo!
urban
Look at
areas,
this!
highways, streets, and underpasses.
Look at this abomination! Oh my god!
Areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albany, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Delmer, Guilderland,
Oh my god!
Hayesville, Loudonville, New Scotland, North Bethlehem, Carlsfeld, McCownville, Slingerlands, Westmer, Ellesmere, Roseville, North Ennsville, West Albany, and Bleecker Stadium. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Wow! Oh my god! Holy moly! Bro, I cannot see anything right now. Bro, I can't see anything. Oh my god! Holy moly! Yo!
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Ah!
Expect wind damage to
Oh my goodness! a hurricane!
New Scotland, Clarksville, Shakers, Leaker Stadium, Slingerland,
It's a literal hurricane!
South Albany.
Some tornadoes or something out here!
Your room on the lowest floor of a building.
There's some tornadoes or something, I don't even know.
It may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh my god, it just doesn't stop!
Remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county.
Bro,
What? Heat index values in the midnight.
oh my god, dude, I can't. Wow. This is absolutely insanity! Bro, my camera is all blurry right now. Oh my god, dude, I can't. This is insane.
Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives and neighbors.
Bro, I can't. I can't right now. This is absolutely insanity.
Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! My lord! Oh my goodness, this is a hurricane! Bro, my camera is all soaking wet. Oh my god!
Thunderstorm watch number 437 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern
Bro,
Daylight Time for the
you guys
following
can't even see anything because it's so all soaking wet right now.
Green, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga,
Oh my god!
Prairie, Warren, Washington.
Yo!
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development
Bro,
of
I need to wipe this off right now. Hold up. Oh my god. Bro, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put this back in my room and get my other phone. Oh my goodness. Wow. Insanity. My goodness. Bro, I cannot right now. This is absolutely insane. It's like a hail or something. It's like a hail hurricane force winds or something. Okay, I'm going inside. Okay, I just put my weather radio inside. Got my other phone out. Oh my god. Hold up, let me go to weather.